YouTube is being underused right now for business owners, and the reason is simple. People just haven't caught up yet and doesn't understand the impact that YouTube can have on your business. Even though it would be awesome to just get clients come to you and they just watch a video on YouTube, like what they see and join your program, join your saas. But I know it's easier said than done because it feels like, okay, YouTube, but what videos do I make? And I see a lot of big companies as well trying to create content, trying to use the power of YouTube to get more audience and get more people into their programs, but they just do it wrong. So today I want to show you something very exclusive because I will go on and do a brand new video idea and a brand new video plan for a big company, Dropbox. I will go through their current YouTube strategy and I will go through what I would do to actually have this and get more eyeballs on their content, get more people who are their target audience to not only watch videos but actually sign up and use the service. This is what I do for extra clients and this is what I did for my 350 million views on YouTube. And after years of creating videos, that goal is to sell to the audience. Okay, so the first thing I would love to do is just go there and check their YouTube channel to see what they are doing currently, who they are targeting in their videos, and where can we start off and how we can improve this. Video marketing trends, video marketing, how to send videos without losing quality, how to clear your cloud storage in 4 simple steps, how to convert Word document to PDF, Dropbox. This is interesting. Okay, yeah, so they're showing Dropbox and how they can do this, but in my opinion, the video marketing trends and video marketing is much better targeting because a lot of people would spend much more money who are working with videos, who are working with photos, because they would use the storage so much more than the usual everyday person, right? So these videos, how to clear your cloud storage, is needed, although it won't really grow the company. It's good to have because they can have videos that help their current users, but other than that, this channel is kind of a mess. This doesn't really have good videos that really attract audience. Like, who watches video marketing one-on-one? 300 people. So this is not really good. So the first step I can write down is the ICP could be video makers and content creators and anybody who works with big video files. This is a good starting point because we know who we want to target, and now we can think about, okay, this is our audience. Now we can come to Miro board, and actually if you want help with this for your own company, just check the description and check the first link and we will talk about your company and how we can do this for you. Other than that, let's start a new place and let's just think about it this right here. Let's just brainstorm a little bit so we know what we are up against. So we need video creators, right? And video creators want to create videos, of course, but they want to be able to... Right now what I'm thinking about is where they are right now and where they want to be, right? Not just in the literal sense of how Dropbox fits into this, but the literal sense of their life. Okay, they are creating videos, so video creators, right? And these video creators are right now currently, I'm thinking about creating videos to help solve problems for video creators. So let me know, where are these video creators right now? What are their insecurities? What are their daily problems that they have every single day? And what is their desired situation? Okay, so something like this should do the work. Now we send this. Of course, when I'm with a real client, I do much more market research on this and to see actually what is the problem of our ideal clients. But right now for this video, this will be good. So technical struggles over complex editing software, not really. Content creation pressure. Okay, so let's say they want to go from being a broke but creative person to want to become a rich businessman who creates video content. So okay, so I went back to Claude and this is like not straightforward, this research, and this is why it's just a bunch of different places looking at different stuff, because we are just gathering information so we can attack well. We just try to look at different angles, try this, okay, this doesn't work, try that, okay, this works. And right now I switched to video marketer, not creator, because we are targeting people who are creating videos for others. The cloud didn't think about these when I told him to think about video creator. And video creators and video marketers is the difference in cloud. So let's talk about video marketers and not actually video creators, which is important. And these people probably even better because video creators are using the files to themselves, but video marketers and people who have agencies send files to each other, so they are even more ideal clients for us. And what I see right now, I actually see a very good video idea that I think would be very good for this brand. Yeah, so they have struggled to prove ROI and just from video marketing budgets to stakeholders, difficulty aligning video content with broader marketing, uncertainty about which video formats work best for different stages of the funnel, limited resources, reliance on external agencies, bottlenecks. This is where we want to be. Like, this is awesome. And if we can prove this by doing research, by reading comments, by talking to people, then we have a winner right here, because this is the problems that they have. So for example, one problem they have, and let's remake this as well. So I actually asked Cloud to give us a starting point and an end point. Okay, so from this, I already see what we can do. So now we have that. Now we have to do the individual problems. Can't see ROI. And I think this is a very good one. Like, this is what caught my eye as soon as Cloud spit it out. So I think creating a video about why people can see the ROI in videos and how can you help them see ROI in videos would be very good. Now the question becomes, okay, this is a very good video and people who are ideal clients watch this video, but how can we connect Dropbox into all of this? Because as you see, can see ROI, the answer would be to track, to create better like tracking systems and to track the links, but Dropbox doesn't really play a situation in this, right? So what we could do is we could go two routes. We could try to fit that in. So we create a step-by-step process, and in the step-by-step process, we say step 4, using Dropbox to do some things, right? Or we could go like fully out of this and we could just tell them how to get ROI and how to see the ROI, and then say, and if you want a reliable way to send files because we know it's a heck of a problem and we hate it too, then here's Dropbox. So this is the two routes that we can go. This like is not the prime example, and this is the exact reason why I chose this, because we could create a video about how to create good video marketing campaigns, right? And then we can say like, okay, film the video, okay, plan the video, film the video, send the files over, keep it organized, and in the send the files over, in the keep it organized, we could put Dropbox in, right? And we could have step-by-step guide, and a lot of those steps would have Dropbox in it. But this is like obvious, so I want to do something not so obvious, which is can't see ROI. I would love to research on YouTube right now. Do we have videos about this? Okay, I'm looking, I'm searching. Can't really find anything really valuable right now. Okay, so we didn't found anything crazy for the can't see ROI, but we can frame this problem a little bit differently so people think about it differently, right? So for example, can't see ROI. We have to think about, okay, why do people want to see ROI? Because they want to see how much they make from these videos. And why is it good for the video marketing agency to see how much they make from videos? Because they are charging money, right? And they charge money, and of course they will only get money if it's worth it for the company. And if they see the ROI and they see what videos are making to their company, they will probably spend more money if they see the ROI is good. So if you feel like, and let me show you the difference, if they pay like they pay $2,000 a month for one video, and all they see, like they can't see the ROI, so all they see is minus 2K plus one video. This is all they see. This is a big loss for the company, right? But if you think about like, okay, they pay 2K for the same video, but from this video, they can track the ROI and see that they are in minus 2K, but plus 5K, let's say, or plus 10K even, so we make our job easier a bit. That means that they made 8K from this 2K. And now this sounds so much better than just seeing that you got a video. You got 8K. This is a frame that we can use, because right now we can say, okay, if you made 8K from the video, then I will make you another video for not 2K, but for 3K, 4K. So 4K for the video, but you still make 6K because it's minus 4 plus 10, right? So you still make 6K, so you would pay 4K for a video that makes you 6K, and it's not just the revenue, it's the profit, right? So this is now the angle of how to charge more for your video marketing stuff. And if you search this up, how to charge. Okay, now we are in a better place because see, we see videos that secret pricing yourself, how to start video editing agency, pricing. So we are now in the pricing game, right? And this becomes so much better because we can still talk about the ROI, and we can still say that, okay, to charge more, you need ROI, and we can still help with that, and people will understand. We just need to create a title and thumbnail that fits this criteria and fits this thing. Okay, so now what I would do is just search for the broad market, like how to charge more, or even how to price marketing services, and check for an outlier that uses some different packaging that we can sit in our niche. So we search for other how to price SMMA services correctly. Okay, can be interesting. So 30K, 130K 2 years ago. I would actually know this. So I would take this and screenshot this and put it here. So let's do that actually. Okay, so we have this video. Let's search for more. And if I do this usually, I like take the link as well, I take the title, I look at the comments. So I research much more than just doing this. Right now for us, it's enough to just look at outliers and see what we have. Let's look at filters. Let's look at yes, and also this year, this is very important, how to price your services for maximum profit. This is very good title actually. And as you see, I'm just literally searching through videos, looking at stuff, and this is the time consuming part because sometimes you have a winner, sometimes you have to search for winner one. But right now I really like this, how to price SMMA services correctly. Now I will still make this better because this isn't that much, but if we start out like how to price video marketing services for maximum profit, now we combine this title and this title, and now we have something which is a good starting point. Now I go into my title creator and use AI to get more ideas and see what could be better. Simple pricing system made my not bad. 7 hidden pricing strategies. I like this, the simple thing. This can be very good. If we can make this credible, then this is good. And I actually like this as well. So now we have a video idea. Now we want to create a video about ROI and how you can measure ROI so you can price more and you can get more money, which is the ultimate goal of these people. This is the desired state. So these video marketing people would actually love to watch this video because they want to charge more, they want to make more money, and in case that they know that, oh, I don't track my ROI clearly, and this is costing me thousands of dollars every month, so they are interested in how they can track it better. The thing is that we just have to nail the packaging for this. But this is even now so much better than just video marketing 101 or video marketing trends. We can attract so much more people with this. This type of title I would actually love more if we have somebody who is the content creator and actually have results in this and actually can talk about doing the ROI, and like we can get somebody to tell this story. But if we don't have anybody with that much of a story like this, we can go with the simple pricing system. Okay, so for now I would love to go with the how to price video marketing services for maximum profit. People will actually probably search this up, how to price video marketing services, how to get more money as video marketers, and having a title like this gets the search results and gets constant views. It might not be the big boom that changes everything, but can get constant views from people searching right now, from 6 months from now, from years from now, and these people will look at the video, and if the video is good and provides value, then it will become so much better. So we have this, now we just make a thumbnail very simply, very good. And until Photoshop loads, I will just give me more to our title database and to our title creator, so it may give us a better idea that will change everything. How to price like a premium video agency. This is not actually bad. This micro agency is actually making massive profits. Marketers hate me for sharing that. I wouldn't feel like this would work. I never felt like charging what I'm worth when budget plans meet real. The only pricing strategy that's actually not bad as well. But right now, let's keep it simple. Let's continue with this one. This is our chosen one. We do this. Okay, so in the thumbnail, I just want to quickly show them the desired state, and let's just do this. I will actually take a screenshot from their video, so we have something. to work with. We have to wait for the perfect moment. Let's wait for the perfect moment. We got the perfect moment. I feel like we got the perfect moment. Yep. This can be good. Okay, so let's start working with this. So I want to show you the end state, which would be they get a lot of money for one video. Like this is kind of a dream state. I'm not trying to clickbait them. I'm trying to just show them that you can get paid for one video a lot of money. Okay, so after completely redoing the thumbnail and finding a much better version, we have this thumbnail right now, right here, which shows like the money, the desired result, and shows something that is unique that makes people think, okay, what is actually this? So if we copy our title here and we check how to price video marketing services for maximum profit. Now this video is something that people would actually interested in who have video marketing services. So this, if you look at the Dropbox channel right now, currently, and look at this is just night and day. This is much more YouTube, which means much more views, which means much more signups for the Dropbox video. And now we have the title and thumbnail, now we have the idea, and now we have to plan the video. The video would, of course, have a good intro, a good stuff, but what I want to focus right now is how we would incorporate Dropbox into this. Introduction, of course, the hook, and then we talk about like, okay, there is a way to charge more. Then we talk about like, why do you need ROI? Then we talk about how to calculate ROI. Then we can talk about how to price better. And then we can talk about, okay, now you actually need to get that ROI. Like it's not enough to promise the return, but you have to get that. And you can get that by doing quality videos and doing at the right time. So we have the base video here, we talk about ROI, but then we talk about, okay, this is very good, you can get more money, but you have to actually deliver on these promises. And how you do that is you do quality videos. And how you do that is doing great videos at the right time, which you need a reliable file sharing system for, because the last thing that you want to worry about when creating these high ROI videos is files. You don't want to look for lost recordings, you don't want to look for stuff, you want to have everything at the right place, at the right time, and at the right person, so you can actually deliver what you promised. Then we like introduce Dropbox, and then we say, okay, this is why Dropbox is better than everything else and how it can actually get you a better ROI. So we connected back to the main topic that we had. Now this video would slap. I actually say if Dropbox did this video, and I will actually send them this, if they did this video, it would get them a ton more signups if it's done right. Now if you think about this plan and you look at the Dropbox channel, which is the video marketing trends, this is not a YouTube channel. This is just videos on the platform of YouTube. But this is now a YouTube video, an actual video that actually delivers results and gets people who want to get better in their own field and in their own skill to watch this video. And then learn about Dropbox, see that, okay, Dropbox can actually help me get paid more, so I will try it out. And this way they will get people from their competitors, because video marketing agencies probably use Google Drive as their main file sharing platform, so Google Drive doesn't help them. If Dropbox starts having people and then in every video starts telling people this is how and why Dropbox is better than Google Drive, people can't see the other side of the argument, can't see Google Drive's argument, because Google Drive doesn't make videos. So if Dropbox just makes videos, gives value, and in the videos tell, okay, this is why Dropbox is better, it will win. So this is how I will start creating content for Dropbox. And if you want to start creating content for your own SaaS, own company, own service, or own coaching, just click the link in the description.